Hey guys, welcome to my channel. From this video, I'm gonna start a series where I'll be telling you everything about cooking, like history of cooking, preliminary preparations, what is sieving, blanching, grating, marinating, etc. So, what is cooking? The process of subjecting foods to the action of heat is termed as cooking. So it's not like I take my food and put it on fire, but it's more like I take a utensil with food, turn on the flame and let it be there until I find it palatable. Do you know, among all the animals out there, only humans cook the food before eating? So, cooking is interesting. A theory suggests millions of years ago, a piece of food would have fallen into the fire accidentally, and when it was picked and eaten, Homo erectus, the species at that time, they must have liked it. And this is how cooking came into existence. Now, there are tons of reasons about why we, Homo sapiens, cook food. Some of its objectives are: first, destruction of microorganisms. Microorganisms are present everywhere. Some are useful, like in curd, cheese, and bread, but some are very harmful. For example, aspergillus flavus produces alpha toxin in ground nuts, cereals, and spices. This alpha toxin is a health hazard. So one of the most effective methods to kill these kind of microorganisms is by application of heat. Cooking food to the required temperature for a required length of time can destroy all harmful microorganisms, like as in pasteurized milk. Second is increase in antioxidant value. Cooked tomatoes are associated with greater health benefits compared to uncooked because the heating process makes lycopene more easily absorbed by the body. Third is pesticide residue. Heating reduces pesticides in all the substances. Last but not the least, it improves digestibility and, of course, taste. Taste is a big reason for different types of cooking. That's all for everything about cooking. We'll meet soon in next video about cooking. So stay tuned and stay healthy.